What's up, audio hoes? Today we're gonna make a beat. This beat. Let's get into it. I'm going to start this beat by referencing a beatbox recording I made earlier today in my car. Pretty cute. I actually used RX7 to denoise. Listen to what it sounds like. Nasty. RX is crazy. Okay, so first we are going to start with the kick. All of these sounds I got from the Lunch 77 Madlib drum kit from our drum kits on Reddit. Thank you, user Lunch77. Okay, so come up with a kick pattern. Works for me. Go ahead and drag that in. I'm going to go ahead and copy it to a second kick layer. Sounds a little different, but I used a different sample on the sampler. So I'm going to drag that. There it is. Okay, cool. All right, time for the snare. Drag that on. Copy it over. For snare 2, I gotta put it on snare 2. All right. I like to use a lot of layers on my drums. It helps add variety and spiciness. So if you listen to the different layers, they each add something to the snare. Same with the kick. Yeah. All right, let's move on to the clap. I don't want to get the clap. Yep. Just throw it in there. For the snap, I think I want it to be like on the same hit as the clap, just to give it a little snappy doodah. There it is. Yep. Okay, now onto the hats. So cute. Like, that sounds okay, but we want to add a little bit of variety to our hi-hats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pitch some down and then add a little extra hits, take some off, you'll see. Oh, I'm also going to use an open hi-hat. Okay, this is what I came up with. So these are all the same hi-hat. This third one is just pitched down to an A sharp. The second one is down to a G. And the first one is just the normal sample. No, I pitched the normal sample down to B from C. But it sounds like this. And that missing spot I filled with the open hi-hat. Let's add a little ride cymbal. All right, so our drums are pretty much done. Later, I'm going to arrange it better. I'm going to take out some of the sounds, like this snare. Sometimes I'll delete that to make that snare sound different from that one. And then I'll take out drums for certain sections, like for the chorus, I'll have probably all of them playing. And then for the verse, I'll maybe take out this open hi-hat so it's more like, and the ride. All right, let's put in our bass. So I'm gonna first put in an 808. This is one that I made with the stock Alchemy. I'm gonna fix some of the timing on that. Yeah, that works great. Okay, now I think I want to layer another bass sound so that it's not just... like there's some nice saturation mid-range, but I want to do a little more. I'm gonna mute that for now. Can't forget the sparkling water. So this is a harpsichord. Ooh, also from Contact. C minor. D flat major. Those are kind of boring, right? So instead I'm going to do an inversion. So I'm going to take this C. Boop, so it's the same chord, I just moved. So it'd be like if instead of doing this, I did this. So it's the same thing, it just adds a little bit different. See how that sounds different from. So just to make it a little more interesting, I'm going to automate some of this so that it kind of opens up and sounds interesting. And for the second half, I decided to do a different inversion. All right, what else can we do? I like that better. Let's put in some more chords. This one's just a stock Logic piano. Now let's add a pad for some atmosphere. Pretty close. Okay, now I'm going to add in a crash sound. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I got my crash. I turned it down 11.4 dB because it was too loud. Check it out. Okay, so here, let me just copy this over. All right, so that sounds good, but we want it to transition a bit better. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna drag it over here. So I'm gonna click this reverse button. Whew. Now, if we look, it's gonna sound like this. Ooh. All right, now I'm gonna arrange the beat so there's a bit more variation. So we're done. I'll just show you some of the arranging that I did. And yeah, at the end I'll play the full thing, but yeah, I don't know. So with arranging, you don't want to necessarily play everything all at once. You want to like just do little hints of stuff here and there, just to kind of introduce the instruments. Listen to how my chorus drums sound different from the verse. Very similar, but different enough that it adds a little variation, especially with everything all together. So the reason I have these as two separate instruments is because this one has a little less bass, so that 808 will sit a little bit better and it layers a bit nicer. And then for the outro, right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll make another one next week. Maybe I won't. We'll see. Who knows? That's the whole video. I'm done. If you want, you can listen to the whole thing. If not, whatever.